These aren't just your favorite holiday mashed potatoes. This is the recipe people ask for every year. No glue, no lumps, just buttery whipped red skin mashed potatoes. Anyone can make this easy recipe.
All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to wash your potatoes. Now I'm using red skin potatoes, and the result of that is a nice creamy potato, but the red skins like to take and hold on to a little bit of that dirt. So get these washed off first. Now once you get those cleaned off real nice, the rest of the ingredients is simple. What we have here is we have a little garlic that we can actually place inside of the water when it boiled. It gives it a nice smooth flavor. We got a combination of some fresh parsley and chives. We got some salt. We got pepper and a little bit of garlic. That's all you need. You got your room temperature milk, and you have, of course, your butter, room temperature as well. Now we're gonna peel them. The red potatoes, they like to hold on to a lot of dirt and grime, so you wanna wash these off really nicely and take some of the peels off. I like to leave some of them up there and cook some of them as well. Now this gives you an idea of how much skin I took off. This is about 2.5, 3 pounds of potatoes. Too much skin will make the potatoes a little gritty. If you're going for that texture, good. There is more nutrients and stuff inside, but if you want something a little more silky and smooth, then take some of the skin off. And I like the red color inside of the potatoes to make it look more nice. Now cutting these up in chunks obviously is very important as well. So cut them up in a couple chunks. That way it's easier to boil, which should take you about 15 to 18 minutes. Put them in cold water and begin this slow cooking process. I also like to add in a few fresh garlic cloves as well. Don't forget to take a pinch of salt, or 2 or 3, and season your water up. Place the lid on the potatoes and let them slowly cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and tender. So now we're gonna take these off the heat. We're gonna drain these out and let them sit in here and kind of release that moisture a little bit for a minute while we heat up the butter and heat up the milk. Now I'm gonna take and melt down some of this butter, and I'm gonna mix this in and blend this in with a little milk. You don't wanna overcook this, you just want it to heat up so it's nice and warm. And the idea is to heat the butter and the milk until it's nice and steamy. You do not wanna boil it. And while it's in there, it would not hurt to season it just a little bit because I'm using unsalted butter. So I like to throw in a little bit of salt, a little pepper into my butter, and a little bit of garlic. Mix that around. And now all that seasoning inside the creamy butter and milk can now be poured into the potatoes. Now here's a tip. You want to break these apart from the beginning by hand a little bit. You do not want to immediately, if you're going to whip these, start whipping them because it will be kind of gooey and you don't want that. You want them to be nice and creamy, not so gooey. So start the process by breaking them apart by hand or mashing them by hand. Then if you're going to whip them, you do it at the end. Sometimes I even like to take a pair of tongs and just mash them up a little bit before I begin, because it's soft enough to do so. Then we'll begin to mash. And then you top it off with a little Parmesan cheese, a little bit of pepper and salt up at the top. And I believe we are done. So if you're looking for a new recipe to try for the holidays, try this easy red skin creamy mashed potatoes. Man, this is so, you still filming? It's good.